To feed the results of ripgrep to FZF in the terminal is very simple. Now let's try doing the same with telescope. So far we have been using finder.newTable function to feed the input to telescope. If you want to use the shell command, you need to use a different function called new one-shot job and pass the shell command inside the table to the function. And remember that each argument needs to be separated in a different string. Here I'm passing line number and column in the same string. You can see the result is empty. When you put it into two different strings, you can see the results with both the line number and the column number.